Hey guys, today I'm going to make a burger and fries in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have half a pound of 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef here. I like using this lean stuff because there's not as much fat and grease in it. You know, because when you put it in the slow cooker, you're not going to drain it. I used half of it yesterday to try this out, and I thought it turned out pretty good. I also have 2 potatoes here, so let me cut those up and we'll get everything into the pot. This is how I usually cut my potatoes. I usually just go in half like that, and then turn it that way, and then go down the middle like that, and then just a few cuts along each side like this. Try to do them fairly thin, but it kind of varies. So about 4 or 5 cuts on each side like that. Let me finish these others and we'll get them into the pot. Now I'm going to season these with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I always use this. Besides pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I put my potatoes around the edges, and I'm going to put the burger right in the center. I've already seasoned the bottom side of it, so we'll put that side down and finish seasoning the top here. Same way, kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. A little bit like that, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been 2 hours and this is smelling good, so let's take a look. Looks pretty good to me. Made quite a bit of juice there. Even the potatoes, they're soft. They even browned up on the edges a little bit. Anyway, let's grab a plate and try it out. Alright, let's see how this burger turned out. I didn't have any bread or buns, so I'm just going to eat it just like this. Put a little bit of mustard and ketchup on it. Looks like it's cooked pretty well. Put a little ketchup there, a little ketchup and mustard. Let's try it out. That turned out pretty good. Fries turned out pretty good as well. Andy's dancing around over here like, hook me up, Dad, hook me up. There you go, Andy. Inhaled. It's not your classic way to make a burger and fries, but it actually turned out pretty good. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.